In this video, I'm going to tell you about the challenges that we encountered early on when starting this business. And in the beginning, that's when you have the most stressful time, the most challenges. If you're starting out and you are facing stress, challenges, problems, failure, don't worry. It's part of the experience. It will get better. It's part of the growing pains. It happens to almost everyone, including us here. And I'll tell you what went wrong. There were some unforeseen things. The main issue is that I was able to tell the founder of this company what to do. I was able to give him the strategies. We had a plan, but I didn't execute. I was only a coach. I wasn't a part of this company. I wasn't a team member. The founder had to execute. And he was very good at executing a lot of things. And actually, even though he came from a low-tech background, he was actually very good at executing even some of the more or less technical things. So he was good at it. And still, things went slow. Just because even though you're smart, you're competent, there is a learning curve. That's just how it is in every little detail. So our marketing had execution problems, mainly that the ranking of the website wasn't happening, because to rank a website is actually pretty complicated. It requires SEO and link building and some complicated things inside SEO that takes a lot of very nerdy things. So that didn't get executed, even though I had given specific instructions. I used to check in every week. How are things going? And things kept on being well, still haven't started on this, just because he was having low confidence and things like this. And on Amazon, the ranking wasn't happening either. The product got placed on Amazon, and it was on page 12 on Amazon for the grout cleaning keyword, which is the main keyword that he needed to appear in. And so on page 12, he wasn't making any sales. And so he was supposed to do the legwork to maybe be fluent around the internet, to drum up a little bit of the initial sales, a little bit of the initial reviews, so that the product started selling and ranking a little better, so that it wasn't happening. And because of that, sales were stagnating, things were problematic. And even though things could have gone better if the execution of this was better, we had the opposite of self-reinforcing negative results, which cause low confidence, unsureness, second guessing of yourself and your strategies. And the low confidence plagues a lot of entrepreneurs. There's no one who's confident all the time, but entrepreneurs, they have a lot of failure, and the low confidence is a major issue. And it led to a lot of starts and stops. He would take a step back from the online business. He would come back because he also had the full-time business of actually cleaning the grout. That service was still paying the bills, and the online business of selling the grout cleaning product wasn't paying the bills just yet. So he only had a part-time marketing effort that would put into it. And even the part-time would be extra part-time because he would procrastinate. He would have that low confidence time periods. It would really spiral down at times, and week to week to week, and sometimes it would turn into spells of months where not that much progress. Now, if I was executing this on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, I would be pounding the pavement, getting sales anywhere I can, anyhow I can, reviews anywhere, anyhow I can, because I would see the only goal I have is rank number 1 in Google, rank number 1 on Amazon, boom. And I would execute at a higher rate, but I'm a professional exactly at this. The founder of this company wasn't, and he had to get there. That learning curve, that a little bit of experience, we wanted it to go smoothly, but there was a reality that we had to deal with. And this actually caused a lot of stagnation, and it almost didn't work out at one point. And in the next video, I'll tell you how it all got reversed and how things started picking up.